Hi everyone, welcome to Adajerama TV. Today we are treating translations, but this time we're making sentences, all right? Not words. This time we are making sentences and then giving their meaning in Igbo, translating them to Igbo language so that you understand and learn how to speak and also write in Igbo language, okay? So today it's gonna be interesting and more interesting. Like I told you before, that you should anticipate our lesson today, and it's gonna be interesting, like I promised. So let's start. Ndewonu ndị be anyị nọ n'Ọdịdịrịmma TV. Na nke taa anyị na-eme ntụgharị dịka m gwara unu na mbụ na nke taa na ọ ga-adị kpọkpọ. Ya bụ, nọdụ ala n'oche, aga n'ebe ọbụla tukwuru na ị ga-amụta ofu ihe tinyere nke ịma bụ na mbụ. So my people, I believe you will learn something new added to the one you learned before. Okay, so today we are doing translations. This time it's sentences. We are making sentences in English and then giving their translations in Igbo language so that you follow up. Okay, when you're making conversations, you'll be able to apply them, and then this learning will become more interesting and you'll be enjoying it more. Okay, so let's get started. Can you video? Nkembo, the first one we're going to talk about now is one of them is in Igbo language you say otu n'ime ha bụ. Now the next one is was she here? In Igbo language you say ọ bịara ebe a. Was she here? You know, in Igbo language, she and he, you use o as a pronoun in Igbo language. Nọchiaha, that's Igbo. Ọ bịara ebe a. Now, when you say ọ bịara ebe a, no one knows whether it's a he or she. If you want to personalize it, you now say nwanne m nwanyị or enyi m nwanyị. That is my friend, my girlfriend, or my sister. Okay, but generally the pronoun for she or he in Igbo language is o. And o with a dot under it. Okay, so that is ọ bịara ebe a. Was she here? Ọ bịara ebe a. Was she here or was he here? Okay, so the next one is my mother coming? The Igbo translation is nne m ọ na-abịa? Nne m ọ na-abịa? Okay, now the next one is will you go with me? The translation in Igbo language is ị ga-eso m gaa? Just look at my lips as I'm pronouncing them so that you don't make any mistakes while pronouncing yours, okay? Ị ga-eso m gaa? Will you go with me? All right. The next one is this child is beautiful. The Igbo translation is nwa mara mma. Nwa mara mma. All right. Now, the next one is have they gone? The Igbo translation is ha pụọla. Ha pụọla. All right. The next one is I will come. The Igbo translation is m ga-abịa. M ga-abịa. M is I in Igbo language. I in English language. In Igbo language you say Now in a sentence, applying it in a sentence you say m ga-abịa. M ga-abịa, a silent M. M ga-abịa. You understand? So it flows like that. Igbo language is very interesting. Okay, so keep trying and you will keep learning and keep enjoying the language. Trust me on this. Please, before we go, try to click on the subscribe button and on the like button on this video. Then make your comments. If there is anything you want us to add, okay, as a content, say it out. Air your view under the comment section on this video. All right, so that we'll keep forging ahead and then doing it just the way you want it, because as a teacher, I want to work with what you want to learn. Okay, don't just keep silent and just watch and just leave. No, say something on the comment section. Say, this is what I want to learn, this is what I want you to teach us, this is a topic that is difficult for me and I want you to treat this topic. Then we'll pick it up from there. All right, say what you really want to see on this channel and we'll go by it. All right, the next one is, this woman is beautiful. The Igbo translation is, nwanyị a mara mma. Nwanyị a mara mma. This woman is beautiful. All right, so the next one is, do you really love me? Do you really love me? Okay, the Igbo translation is, ị hụrụ m n'anya n'ezie? Ị hụrụ m n'anya n'ezie? Answer that question. Okay, the last but not the least, okay, the last for today but not the least is, how will I know? Kedu ka m ga-esi mara? Kedu ka m ga-esi mara? When you say you love someone, the person will ask you, how will I know? So that is it. So in Igbo language, when someone says, I love you so much, in Igbo language, it means ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. The person says this in English. The Igbo translation is, ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. I love you so much. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya nke ukwuu. Now, in response, the person asks you, how will I know this? Then the Igbo translation is, kedu ka m ga-esi mara? You see, Igbo language is very interesting. All right, lovely people, please remember to click on the subscribe button and on the like button. If you've not subscribed before to this channel, if it's still telling you to subscribe, it means you've not subscribed before. But if your subscribe button is on past tense, if it's reading subscribed, then just leave it like that. It's okay that way. But if it's still saying subscribe, then you've not subscribed. Please just click on it and let it be on past tense. And also click on the like button under this video and make your comments. Thank you very much for staying with me. I hope to see you on my next video. Please also help me to share this video and other videos on my channel to your friends and well-wishers on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and what have you, even on LinkedIn. Yes, you can share this on LinkedIn too. So please do help me share my contents to other people. And if you want to learn Igbo language personally, okay, I teach on Zoom. So please do contact me on 08064535633. Then let's talk about your lessons and how you enroll. I teach both kids and adults, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Okay, so please do contact me. Let's talk. I teach kids and adults at home and in diaspora. So distance is not a barrier and location is not a barrier. The internet is a site. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you for staying with me. Daalụ maka isonyere m ndị be anyị. Ebe a ka anyị ga-awụsa ụra na nke taa. Eji m aka na unu mụtara ihe ọzọ tinyere nkunma bụ na mbụ. Biko onyekwara m aka kesaa ihe onyonyo niile dị iche iche ị na-ahụ na igwe mgbasa ozi Adadirima TV. Biko pịkwara m aka n'akara mmasị, pịkwara m aka n'akara nsonye nke bụ akara subscribe n'asụsụ Bekee. ma ọ bụrụ na ifibeghị aka na mbụ, ọ bụrụ na ọ ka na-asị gị subscribe, ị mara na ị daghị esonye m n'ihe na-eme. Ya mere biko na-ayọ gị pịara m aka n'akara subscribe, ọ bụrụ na ọ dịzi na tens m dị n'azụ, ka ị were na-ahụ ihe niile m na-eme n'igwe onyonyo Adaderema TV. Ọ dị mma, daalụ m maka isonyere m taa. Gị bụ onye m afụrụ taa, ka afụkwa gị echi. Ngwa ka ọ dị, ka emesịa, ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ.